In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Google Docs, a simple yet effective way to customize and personalize your documents. Whether you want to add a touch of creativity to your project, make it stand out, or adhere to a certain color theme, changing the background color can really make a difference. First things first, open your document in Google Docs. Make sure you're logged into your Google account and have your document ready to go. It's important to have all your content finalized before you change the background to avoid any formatting issues later. Next up, look towards the upper left corner of your screen and click on the File menu. This drop-down menu contains various document settings you'll need to explore. From here, you'll want to select Page Setup. This option generally appears toward the bottom of the menu list. Clicking it will open a new dialog box with multiple settings related to page formatting. In the Page Setup dialog box, you'll notice several options that influence the look of your entire document. Think page orientation, margins, and paper size. What we're interested in, though, is the page color option. This is typically positioned toward the bottom right of the dialog. Next to page color, you'll see a color box. Click on this box, and you'll be presented with a palette of color presets that you can choose from. If you already have a specific color in mind, maybe something that matches your branding or a themed hue you're keen on, click Custom to enter a specific hex or RGB value. This flexibility is great for those who want precision in their document design. Using hex or RGB values allows you to match the exact shade used in other visuals or branding materials. Once you've chosen your desired color, it's time to finalize your choice by clicking OK. But wait, there's more if you need it. If you're planning to use the same background color for every document you create in the future, there's an additional option. You can click Set as Default. This will apply the selected background color to all new Google Docs you create until you decide to change it again. This is a neat trick for anyone consistently working with a particular color scheme. With this final selection, you should see your document background change immediately to the color you chose. Refreshing, isn't it? With your new background color in place, not only will your document have a fresh new look, but also potentially enhanced readability, depending on the color contrast with your text. And that's all there is to it. You have now mastered changing the background color in Google Docs, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Thank you for tuning in, and happy document crafting.